If you want to learn how to work with Claude AI quickly and effectively, this video is going to walk you through the entire process, step by step. Whether you're using Claude for writing, research, brainstorming, file analysis, or everyday productivity, the key is knowing how to start the conversation the right way and how to guide Claude to better answers. And before we jump in, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple AI tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Claude in your browser and sign in to your account. If you already have an account, just log in with your usual details. Once you're inside, you'll see the main Claude interface, and from here you can begin a fresh conversation. Next, start a new chat. This is where you'll give Claude your first instruction. Think of this like setting the direction for the whole conversation. The more specific you are at the beginning, the better the results will be. So instead of typing something vague like, "Help me with this," try to clearly describe what you want Claude to do. For example, you might ask Claude to summarize a document, write an email, explain a concept, create a list, or help you compare ideas. A good prompt usually includes your goal, the context, and any important details or constraints. That way, Claude has a much better chance of giving you an accurate and useful answer. If your task involves a document, screenshot, spreadsheet, or other reference material, upload files or images if they are relevant to your task. This is one of the biggest advantages of working with Claude AI, because it can use that information to better understand what you need. So, if you want it to analyze a PDF, review notes, or respond to an image, attach the file before or during your message, and then explain exactly what you want done with it. After you send your prompt, review Claude's response carefully. Read through the answer and check whether it matches what you asked for. If it's close, but not quite right, don't start over. Instead, ask follow-up questions to refine the result. You can request a shorter version, a more detailed version, a different tone, a clearer explanation, or a revised format. That back and forth is where Claude becomes especially powerful, because each follow-up helps shape the output more precisely. If you want better results, remember to be specific, provide useful context, and keep guiding Claude with clear instructions. You can treat it like a smart assistant that improves when you communicate clearly. So to recap, open Claude and sign in, start a new chat, type a clear prompt, upload relevant files or images, and then review the response and refine it with follow-up questions. That's the basic workflow for getting great results from Claude AI. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more AI tips, and I'll see you in the next video.